So today I'm going to make some tempura for the holidays using my batter mix. You'll see very light and crispy, and also yum yum sauce. And I'm going to use all these beautiful vegetables, okra and zucchini, yellow squash, sweet potato, and kabocha from my garden. So first I'm going to just get the seeds out, and these you can keep. I normally keep them, dry them, and so I can use it to grow some more next year. So I'm going to put this aside, and then we're just going to cut them into slices. These are a little bit difficult to cut sometimes, so be careful. Don't hurt yourself. You don't need to cut them very thick. These are Asian sweet potatoes. They are very dense and also sweeter. Now I'm going to make a batter. You see, very, very simple. I've done so many times, so I don't normally need to measure, but the recipe is on the back. Tells you how much water and how much oil you need. Then finally, we're going to use cold water. So make a thin batter. It's almost look like, pancake for the consistency. That's how thick you want it to be. So now we're ready to deep fry. Oil is hot enough, then you put it in. How do you know the oil is hot enough? When you put the vegetables in, they will start sizzle. So like this. See that? That means it's ready. So now I'm going to put my okra. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm going to make some more little squash. I'm finished for the big part of it. I still have some. I'm going to finish up in a little bit. Can't wait now to try it. So let's try the okra. I'm going to use yum yum sauce to make it extra yummy. Did you hear that? So I'm going to just dip some yum yum sauce. Not even slimy. It's great. Great way to eat the okra. And you know they are very good for you.